Welcome to Ginger Media Channel. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. Everyone has been visiting the Onitsha fire incident, and today Peter Obi visited the scene of the fire incident. And what Ginger Media is reporting is we're not praising anyone, but there is something very clear here. We have a video of where Obiano visited the people.
And my ESCO, because of the sympathy that we have of this incident, I've already set up a panel that is headed by the Deputy Governor. The technical committee of this panel will visit this place and ascertain the number of shops and the people that lost their wares here. We go shop by shop and put down their names. What we want to do with those names, we will be able to see how we can compensate them for their losses. I encourage everybody to be your brother's keeper in this kind of moment and time. Do not take advantage of the challenges that we have now to begin to rob.
Obiano is a sitting governor. The only reason why the people did not stone Obiano is because he came with security men. But compare this to when Peter Obi visited the people of Onitsha. The people were clearly seen shouting, Peter Obi kanyi geso. Peter Obi, we are missing you. Peter Obi, we really regret that you left. Remember, when Anambra State was under Peter Obi, Anambra State had a functional fire service. The fire service in Anambra were trained by the Federal Fire Service. Anambra State had equipment. The question is, 5 years down the line that Obiano has, 6 years down the line that Obiano has been in government, how come rather than improve on what Peter Obi left, how come rather than improve on what he saw on ground, we saw deteriorations? We saw in one of the videos, his man, the head of fire service, said that the reason why they couldn't attend is that their vehicle.
Part of the fire authority. And what I did immediately, I sent the message back to our fire station, yes. Which they responded. They got to the fire scene. They got to the fire scene, and unfortunately, the fire truck, the first one that got to that point, developed a mechanical fault. What we call power takeoff, PTO, failed when it was working. So that was where the problem started. But while I was mobilizing those of Onitsha, which are closer to that place, I only sent those ones in Oka. They moved down to Onitsha. Getting to Onitsha, because the first one, which was already on ground working, had a mechanical problem immediately. They were not able to allow other fire trucks that came to go and fight the fire. That was where the whole problem started. And that of Delta came. They didn't allow them. They just drove in. They didn't allow them to come in. They equally turned immediately and went back to Asawa. There's this GU fire truck that came, the private fire truck. It was destroyed, that place. That was what happened. And because they were chasing the road firefighters and the fire trucks, the fire truck and the driver managed to escape the scene. And we were not able to go back there. Because one, we didn't go with any security. Nobody was guiding the firemen. So they have
broke down. What an arrant nonsense. It means that nothing is actually happening and nothing is working. This video is just a short clip to show us what it means when you work for the people At the appropriate time, the people will rejoice with you. The people would always miss you. We criticized Peter Obi the time he was governor. He is not a saint. There are mistakes he made, but the good that he did in Ala-Igbo outweighs the mistakes that he made. Peter Obi, before he became the governor of Anambra State was one of the worst performing states in WAEC. But within 3 years that he pumped money into education in Anambra State between WAEC, NECO, was in 3 years running #1 before Abia eventually came and took over. So what we are saying is the way a leader treats its people matters a lot. And that is the reason of this clip. This clip shows those of you that will watch this, those of you that are watching this, treat your people right. Power is transient. You cannot be in power forever. Peter Obi arguably remains the only governor that can come to where something like this happened and people did not stone him. Kanumba Dinuju, their dream to come to some place like that without people flying left and right and center. Even in Giga as he stands today, the people are not happy with him. So what is it that Peter Obi has done in Anambra State that makes the people to keep chanting and trying to say that he is and that they miss him? He is being missed. Obiano, change your ways. You have 2.5 years to amend your ways. The people are not happy with you, Obiano. Your statement about the Fulanis and 500 that they pay if they kill one of us is making people not to. You bought vehicles for the security services, yet you cannot buy vehicles from the fire service. Make sure that the fire service in Anambra State is superb. This is Imba month. It is dry season. So we have to make sure that the people that you govern are being taken care of. Oviano, repent, amend your ways. Once more, this is Njenje Media Channel. Subscribe to the channel.